We are at 12816 Alcores Street. We are in Southern Highlands. This house is beautiful. This house has a primary bedroom downstairs as well as one upstairs. So if you guys need one downstairs for family members, even if you have college students coming home, it's perfect for them.
That's right. So with the 2 primary bedrooms, there's 4 bedrooms total and 4 bathrooms and a loft.
That is right. So we're gonna go ahead and take you guys right inside. We're at 12816 Alcores and we're in Southern Highlands. This property has 2 primary bedrooms, one downstairs and one upstairs. Can't wait to show you. And it does have a 2-car garage. That's a total of 4 bedrooms. so pretty, and the outside with that fountain, it's great for relaxing out there with a glass of wine or a cup of tea.
This home is 2,800 square feet with a 2-car garage, upgraded flooring, and a beautiful kitchen, and it's move-in ready.
This location is Southern Highlands in Las Vegas. I absolutely love Southern Highlands. It's so pretty. It's a newer community out here, and you're close to the freeway, the M Casino, where there's a ton of restaurants, and you are about 15 minutes from the airport, so it's a great location.
This home is located at the Cove at Southern Highlands with an HOA of $167.
So we're gonna go ahead and recap. This house has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and a beautiful fountain that's outside for relaxing. So if you want more information about this, our information is down below. You can call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.